Welcome back to the Sunnyscopa channel. Celebrating the success and popularity of our rub-on transfer paper, we are excited to introduce some new enhancements to our product, ensuring an even better experience. Rub-on is now more user-friendly and easier to apply. We are also including a white adhesive option for better colour visibility on dark backgrounds. Rub-on transfer paper is compatible with both inkjet and laser printers, so you can use the same pack for both. The only difference is inkjet may require a little time to dry before use. As you know, our existing rub-on transfer is great for transferring images from your printer onto rough and porous surfaces. No glue or water is required during application, making it super easy to use. Great for plastics, furniture, labeling, scrapbooking, and many more applications. The adhesive sheets and printing papers are provided individually. This reduces the thickness and prevents printing jams, while providing stronger premium quality adhesion suitable for a variety of surfaces. Previously, the backing would on rare occasions fail to release from the protective layer. This has been fixed with our new version, which is much easier to use and keeps the adhesive undamaged during application. Please note that the printing surface in the instructions has changed. The printing sheets are still the clear yellow tinted sheets. The glossy side used to be for printing. In our latest version, please use the semi-matte side for printing. The rub-on transfer package consists of two types of paper. The semi-clear sheet is the printing paper. The thicker white paper is the adhesive sheet. If you have a look closer, the adhesive membrane is enclosed between two protective layers, the clear and the white. To create your own rub-on transfers, make sure to mirror everything before printing, as it will be applied face down. Print on the semi-matte side of the printing sheet. Wait until the ink is fully dry. You can blow dry it to speed this up. When it's ready, peel back a corner of the adhesive backing and place the adhesive down with the sticky side against the image. Once you stuck down the corner, you can start to slowly peel away the white backing as you apply the adhesive. Just like the decal paper, you don't want any air trapped inside, so we recommend a ruler to evenly press down the adhesive. Rub the adhesive down to ensure a good bond between the image and the adhesive. You can use your hands or a squeegee for this step. The image will get clearer as you rub. Next, simply cut out your images using scissors or a craft knife. And you're done. You can store these for later or use them right away. To transfer your image, remove the protective backing and apply face down like a sticker. By leaving some adhesive protective backing on, it's easier to align the placement. For large transfers, we recommend to use a ruler again for even application. But regular size transfers are as easy as placing a sticker. By rubbing into the surface, you will successfully transfer your image. You can then peel off the remaining protective layer, revealing your perfect rub-on transfer. The adhesive is compatible with a variety of surfaces, giving you unlimited ways to use it, while having complete control over the creation of your transfers. Thank you so much for watching. For more information about our products, please visit our website at www.sunnyscopa.com. Feel free to get in touch if you have any questions. I have added the contact details down below.